Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So into this video, as you can tell, this is another install video featuring Alipearl hair. I just want to say thank you so much for sending me this hair. Oh my god, y'all, this hair is so cute. It's so adorable and it looks so natural. The way the lace smells and the way the curls are, it's so beautiful. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. And it's such a beginner friendly wig. It's like, it was super easy to install, and the curly hair is like the easiest type of hair to maintain, especially for beginners. And I always say this, if you want to get a wig, curly hair is probably the best because it's the easiest to maintain. So inside the box is the hair, their satin bag, the headbands, and then the cute long headband piece that you can wrap around at night, I guess, and then the mirror and the edge brush. The mirror is so adorable. Like, look how cute it is. It can fit in almost any bag, and it's just to make sure, you know, look at yourself and make sure your lace is on and your hair looks good. And then two bald caps. So this is a kinky curl wig. It is a 5x5 lace front and it's 18 inches, 180 density. The hairline comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, and it's a glueless wig, so it makes it so much easier to install, and it's such a lifesaver since everything comes done already. You literally don't have to worry and don't have to do much to it. It's so helpful for beginners because it saves you so much time from having to bleach the knots, pluck the hairline, and cut the lace, which is really hard for some people, especially like beginners. And I remember my first time trying a wig, and those were so hard. So to be able to buy a wig that comes like that already is like such a blessing. And it also comes with these at the back, which helps it just grip onto your head. Yeah, so this is like extremely helpful for beginners who want to start wearing wigs but are not comfortable with 13x4 or long hair, or just, you know, starting to get into wigs and don't know what hair to do, what hair to get, or how to prepare the lace. So with the glueless wigs, all you have to do is literally add your foundation to the lace, like what I'm doing right now, and then put it on. After that, you just add some water and some mousse, or, you know, if you don't have mousse, you can use gel, which is what I did here. And then that's kind of it. You can play around with it more, brush it around, and, you know, try and make it as nice as you want it to be. And yeah, in this video I'm just showing you guys how I do it, and like, I'd like to take a few extra steps to make this glueless wig look as natural as possible. You know, I want it to be giving scalp and, you know, turn out cute. Yeah. So if this is something you're interested in, then keep watching. If you're interested in buying this wig, then the link is listed down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video and make it to the end. But let me know down below your opinions and if you would buy this wig. See you in my next video. Bye!